Tale of Shiny Engines 2. Previously on the Tale of Shiny Engines, James was questioning why Thomas the Tank Engine had turned into Golden Thomas, and Metallic to all his friends, and then James got killed. Now we're leaving off with Thomas taking a train of coal to the scrapyard. Man, I think it was a good idea to get rid of that James fellow. He really was a pain in my wheel. Yo, we helped a bit too. What do you mean you helped? You did nothing good, just sit around on the sidelines and stuff. I did all the main work. Do we still get, paid? No! No one gets paid unless I say so. Okay. I hate this guy. Just then, Percy, or Metallic Percy, chuffed around the bend. I helped a bit. And that Golden Thomas fellow doesn't even give a crap about me. So I'm going to teach that guy a lesson. Thomas, you get your booty back here! Oh crap! Percy's chasing us! Yodit! Oh crap! He got me! Oh, what? No, the truck to go! Oh no! This is what I get for not getting my payment! Percy, why are you even doing this? You didn't pay me. Now I'm gonna get my revenge. Oh, crud! They were racing and rushing down the bends, walking, whooshing, and Thomas nearly came off the rails. Oh no, I lost him. You know, I'm really getting sick of you, Percy. You just didn't know what just go physics. I don't give a crap. Well, I do. What? I'm gonna push you off the map. No, you're not. Oh, pew! Yes, I won. But he killed half of my trucks. Oh, this is what I get for trying to beat my boss. Yeah, never try to beat him again, loser. Haha. Oh, man. I really hate my job. You're not the only one who got pushed down here. Oh,